Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare public versus private international law. Public international law primarily regulates interactions between sovereign states and international bodies, focusing on treaties and customary law. Conversely, private international law, also known as conflict of laws, deals with disputes between individuals or companies across different jurisdictions. It determines which country's laws apply to a specific case, ensuring legal clarity in international private matters. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for navigating global legal frameworks. Public international law governs the conduct of states and international organizations on a global scale. Its main subjects are sovereign nations, and its sources include numerous treaties, established customary practices, and widely recognized general principles of law. Enforcement often depends on the voluntary compliance of states, decisions from international courts like the ICJ, and diplomatic negotiations. This framework aims to maintain peace, security, and cooperation among nations. Private international law, or conflict of laws, addresses legal disputes involving private parties across national borders. Its primary subjects are individuals and corporations engaged in international transactions or disputes. The sources for this area of law are typically national statutes, specific international conventions, and judicial decisions. Its core function is to resolve which country's laws should govern a particular private legal matter, ensuring fairness and predictability in global commerce. In summary, public international law regulates states and international organizations, drawing from treaties and custom to manage global affairs. Private international law, conversely, resolves conflicts between private parties across borders, relying on national laws and conventions to determine applicable legal systems. Both are vital for a functioning global society, ensuring order and justice in their respective domains. For those looking to streamline their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.